Hey guys, so I'm playing tag right now. Well, not playing it, but I'm building a tag map and build a boat for treasure. See, down there. And if you want to join and read the rules, pause the video. Okay. So, what you get for playing in this, you get an item. Like any item from in here. Any item of your choosing. Even these. Well, you can't give these, but anything else besides the bottom. Very bottom. And that's it to join. I'll buy you the gift when I get Robux. I'll get you the gift. You can't get that one, but the most you can get is 4,000 gold. I'm only at 3,000 gold right now. Kinda need it myself. But, yeah. Tag. Join me. Username right there. You don't have to friend me to join. I already have it to where anyone can join me, even if they're not my friend. So right here. Yeah. And you get those candies for becoming a VIP right there. Only VIPs have them. Okay. But join me and you will learn the details. If you want to. I'll leave my username in the description. Remember to join me if you want a prize and build the boat for treasure.